How to repost someone's video story on Instagram without being tagged. In this video, let's find out if you can repost someone's video story on Instagram without being tagged. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Then go ahead and launch open any video that you want to upload on your story. Now, as you can see, there's no option that says add this to your story. If you tap on this icon over here as well, there's no option. So that means if you are not tagged in this video, you won't be able to add this or repost this as your own story. In that case, what you can do is record this video and then post it. So for that, go ahead and launch open your screen recorder. Then record this video completely. After it has been recorded, tap on your story. Then you simply want to select the video that you just recorded and then post it in that way. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.